It's not wrapping paper we had.
No,
What is it?
Oh,
it's wrapped differently.
Santa.
Can you see what he got me?
What is it?
Whoa! This is so mean.
What is it?
It is a wardware. You make the bracelet.
You make your own jewelry?
Yes, there's like all kinds of shapes and stuff in there. And you
Cool.
make them like this, or you say a BFF or love. Oh, thank you, Santa.
For sure.
Awesome. I love it. Next.